My dear student, I am going to take fourth part of 10th class, 8th chapter Trigonometry, English version. In this part, these three formulas are given. You have to remember these very carefully because in all the questions, these identities will be applied. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. I have told you in previous parts, this identity is very important identities. This identity will be applied in so many questions in the trigonometry. So sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. My dear students, these identities are important, and now we are going to take question, and you will see all these three identities will be applied in all the questions. Now I am taking first question. Sin square 63 plus sin square 27, this upon cos square 17, cos square 73. Now I want to change this. I am not going to change this. I want to make a change in the second entry. Sin, here see, sin 27, and we can write it cos 90 minus 27. 90 here, you see here, sin again I am writing sin 90 minus 63. 90 minus 63. Here sin 63 plus sin square 27. Here sin square 27. Sin 27, we can write it is sin 90 minus 27, and it will change in cos. And this 27 is not equal to this, it will be equal to this. This is a sin change into cos if we subtract any angle from 90, just like 63, the angle should be equal to 27. There should be no change. Here you see cos sin, here cos 63. This is. See this change again. Sin 27. I want to make change in sin 27. Sin 27. Sin as it is sin. 27 can be written as 90 minus 63 because difference of these two is 27. When there is no change here, there should be no change in this angle. And now remove 90, sin will change into cos 63. Now cos 63, here you see sin cos 63 is, we have to put this value, sin sin 27 is equal to cos 63. Now sin square 27 is equal to cos square 63. This is the first result, my dear students. This is the first result. Now I am going to change this in the numerator second entry, and denominator I want to change this first entry cos 70, देखो, see here, cos 17, here cos will be right as it is, and 1790 minus 73, because cos is cos, 17 is equal to 19 minus 73. There is no change in the angle. Now remove this 90, it will change into sine 73. This is sine 73. Cos 17 is equal to sine 73. This is equal to this, and by squaring, cos square 17 is equal to sine square 17. Understand my point, dear student? Cos 17, I changed cos 17 into sine 73. Both are equal. This is equal to this, and squaring on both sides, this is the second entry. Now putting these two values in here, sine square 63 plus sine square 17, from first cos square 63, upon, now cos square 17 from second entry, cos square 17 is equal to sine square 17, plus cos square 17 as it is. My dear student, this is the change first and this is the change second. You see this change very carefully. Now, sine square theta plus cos square theta. Here, in place of theta, 63. Angle should be same. Sine square, cos square. Sine square, cos square. Here angle is theta, here is theta. Here is 63, here is 63. This makes no difference. Angle, whatever angle should be same. Now this is 1. Here in the denominator, sine square 73, cos square 73, sine square, cos square, and angle is same. Here is also 1. 1 upon 1 is equal to 1. This is the answer. My dear student, I am taking second question. See here, second question. Second question, here cos 65, sine 25. Write down this, cos 90 minus 65. Here sine 25. Here cos 90 minus 25, 65. This is 65. This is also 65. Plus cos 25 sine 90 minus 65. Here sine 25 and cos change into sine, remove 90, this will be 25, plus cos 25 into this sine 90 minus, here see, sine 90 minus 65. You see cos 25 and the sine 90 minus 25, and this will change into cos a sine 25, sine 65, this is also 65, 90 minus 25, this is also 65. Now change this sine into cos. When we remove 90, this sign will change into cos, and this is 25. See here. Sine square, sine 25, sine square 25 plus cos square 25. Now sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, this value 1. See the change. This is the change here, and this is the change here. 65, 90 minus 25, 65. Now we now remove 90, then sign will change, this cos will change in sign, and 90 minus 25, yeah, this is when this sign will change in cos will change in sign, this angle will remain as it is. In the same entry, second entry, see here, this is also the same. Sine square 25, cos square 25, this is equal to 1. Now third question. Nine sec square A minus 9 tan square A. Dear student, in first and second question, I applied this identity. Now in this, I will apply second. 9 is common. Sec square A minus tan square A. 9, I take 9 common. Take out 9 common from both, and now apply sec square A. What is sec square theta? 1 plus tan square theta. Change theta change theta in A. Sec square A is equal to 1 plus tan square A. Sec square A is equal to 1 plus tan square A minus tan square A. Identity is written in theta, but you, if you want to change theta into A, write down A. If you want to change theta into B, you can write a B. So 9, this cancel with this one, 9 into 1, and this is 1, answer is 9. Here this cancel with this 1, 9 into 1 is equal to 9. Fourth question. Fourth question. 1 plus tan square A, 1 plus tan square A upon 1 plus cot square A, 1 plus cot square A. Here, write down 1 plus tan square A. 1 plus tan square A is equal to sec square A. Change according to the second. 1 plus cot square A from the third, this one. Cot square A is equal to this cosec square A. Now, 1 sec square A is equal to 1 upon cos square A. Change this. Sec is opposite of cos and cosec is opposite of sine. 1 upon sine square A. Now this is 1 upon cos square A into sine square A upon 1. Change this here. And now sine square A upon cos square A is equal to tan square A. This is the answer. Now, fifth question. Now, fifth question is sec A plus tan A, sec A plus tan A, sec A plus tan A into 1 minus sine A. This is fifth question. Now, sec A, 1 upon cos A plus tan A, sine A upon cos A You have seen in the previous questions 1 minus sine A. Here, by taking LCM, 1 plus sine A upon cos A into 1 minus sine A upon 1. Here, now multiply 1 plus sine A, 1 minus sine A. Write it again upon cos A. Here, 1 plus sine A, 1 minus sine A, 1 minus sine square A upon cos A plus B, A minus B, 1 minus sine square A, and 1 minus sine square A is equal to cos square A, is equal to cos A. And here cos square A in denominator cos A, this is cos A. This is the answer of this question. Dear students, I have taken 5 questions from your NCERT book, and all the questions are very easy. And in all questions you have seen, I applied these 3 identities. On application of these identities, you have to very careful, so that the mistake can be avoided. So remember these identities and apply in all the questions very sincerely. You will get correct answer. My dear students, in the last, I am making a request to you. Please subscribe the channel. I shall be very thankful to you.